Hi, and welcome to another tips and tricks video by Premium Plus. My name is Anton, and I'm here to talk about how you can take a messaging conversation in Zendesk. You can either accept the conversation using the conversation button and it will auto-assign to you, or you can assign an existing conversation from your view, for instance. You can assign it to yourself to start talking to the customer. How does this exactly work in real life? Let's take a look. In our instance, I have now two messaging conversations waiting to be assigned. I can either, and that's the first option discussed, just click the accept button and immediately the conversation will be assigned to me and I can start using messaging to talk to the customer. In case I work from my view, I can select a conversation here and you'll see that the messaging option is not available because it is view only. When I select a messaging ticket from the view, it is not auto-assigned to me. So the first thing I have to do is first click Take It, assign it to myself, then change the close tab to Stay on Ticket and submit ticket as new. Now the ticket will update with me as an assignee and then it will make messaging available. So now I can say hello, how are you, and start a conversation with the customer. So these are the two ways you can take a messaging ticket. Either you just click the conversations button and it will be auto assigned to you, or if you select a ticket from the list, do not forget to first assign it to yourself, change this to stay on ticket, and then submit a ticket to be able to start messaging with your customer. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time.